Karnataka 80 works permit, May 1995. Yes, get ready, start. Dear friends, I have great pleasure in extending to you a hearty welcome to the 13th annual general meeting of your company. The director's report and the audited statement of accounts for the year ended 30th June have been in your hands for some time now, and with your permission, I shall take them as read. Our production performance during the year ended 30th June was not up to the desired level. This low production performance is because of loss of 2 months production caused by general labor unrest. This factor, together with increase in raw materials cost in the wake of devaluation in June last year and the loss sustained on exports, to which I shall refer at a later stage, had a depressing effect on the profits of the company. The present production of the company is very much lower. This production is expected to rise with the existing equipment and the facilities to the other plants and equipment required for the expansion scheme has been transferred, and it is expected that the scheme would be installed by the middle of the next year. I am very much pleased to inform you that your company has commenced the manufacture of tires for scooters, motorcycles, motor cars, jeep and other vehicles. The company is presently considering the inclusion of tractor tires in its range. Your directors hope that with further increase in production and in the absence of any problems coming in the way, as in the year under review, your company will be in a position to achieve better working results during the next year. It is rather alarming to note that the production of rubber has been seriously affected by acute shortage of raw materials. The government has agreed to permit import of foreign raw materials for the purpose of maintaining the production. This has led to an extra cost to be borne by the industry by way of provisional increase in the prices of the rubber. The government has agreed to increase the cost of the rubber. The prices of rubber chemicals and other connected raw materials have by and large increased over the past 1 year. The rise in the cost of the raw materials will have a definitely adverse effect on the profit of the industry, which is largely material intensive. The raw materials constitute 65% of the total cost of production. The support export performance of your company, which is the youngest tire manufacturing company in the country, has been significant. The volume of export made by your company constituted about 12% of the total ex-factory production value, which is perhaps the highest among all the tire companies. This is the real criteria for measuring the export performance of any industry. You will be glad to note that the products of your company have been exported even to the world markets and have been fully accepted for quality and service. There is one important aspect of export to which I would like to draw your attention. It is a happy thing to note that about 65% of the raw material requirement of the industry is being met out of our own sources available within our country. I have already mentioned that the current prices of the important raw materials in the country are substantially higher. Dear sir, it is learned from your letter dated 2nd March that you are interested in buying some house property in the garden city of Bangalore. If this is so, we are pleased to help you to find a suitable house for you. In this connection, if you could write to us about your proposal and the financial limitation, we hope we shall be able to locate a good house within your budget in Bangalore. As desired in your letter, we would like to enclose herewith a list containing the details of properties which are available for immediate sale for your information. The size, location and price of each property has been furnished in the list. If you select any one from this list, we will be pleased to send you further details. If you want to see any property personally, you may call on us on any working day during office hours. Otherwise, if you so desire, we shall be pleased to send our agent to your place with all the details required by you. In this regard, we wish to bring to your kind notice that we are well experienced in the field of real estates during the last 25 years, and this brings us in touch with good people for your purpose. We assure you that we will give you a good property, hoping to receive an early favorable reply from you in the matter. Yours faithfully,